Sliding pantry door storage solutions for small homes reclaim wasted floor space while keeping full access to essentials. Sliding pocket doors that tuck into wall cavities are ideal when you can modify framing. Ensure the rough opening is widened by 2 inches to accommodate the pocket hardware, and install a flush strike plate so the door disappears cleanly. A barn-style sliding door mounted on an external track works well where pocketing is impossible. Mount the track into wall studs and use soft, close rollers to prevent slamming and reduce wear. For deep storage, pull out pantry towers, convert a fixed shelf void into multiple narrow drawers that reach everything at the back. Measure cabinet depth, subtract 1 1/4 inches for clearance on slides, and use full extension undermount slides rated for at least 100 pounds per pair. Rotating spice carousels maximize corner or narrow spaces by allowing items to be accessed without bending or shifting other jars. Choose a model with ball-bearing rotation and mount it to a stable shelf with wood screws through the center post. Slim vertical pull-out trays fit between studs or beside appliances and are especially useful for oils and baking sheets. Build trays no wider than 6 inches to prevent tipping, and add side guards 2 inches high to keep bottles upright. For any option, plan lighting and ventilation early, use soft close hardware, and label shelves at the front so retrieval stays fast and orderly. The most common mistake is treating sliding hardware as decorative rather than structural, which causes sagging and jamming over time, so always anchor tracks to studs and use proper hangers matched to door weight. People often underestimate clearances and buy doors that rub frames or stop before fully opening, so measure the full opening plus overlap, account for trim, and mock up with cardboard before ordering. Another frequent issue is inaccessible deep shelves that become black holes, which you can solve by installing pull-out elements, dividing shelves into shallower bays, or adding lighting so contents are visible and rotate use forward. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work related to pantry renovations and sliding door installations. We also host a discussion community where our members share detailed tips, product recommendations, and real-world installation advice.